Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. Beautiful boat here. This is a tri-tune. Got a nice gray with black powder coat fence railing. And then also up here we do have your docking lights and then your flip up cleats. As you walk towards the stern, you notice a nice big sports tower up here with the bimini open. And then walking back here, we do have safety railing, which makes it legal for any passenger riding underway to sit back here on the back facing seating. We do have a ski tow bar. This is powered by a 225 Mercury outboard. Plenty of power on this boat. Let's hop up inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside our brand new 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. At the stern of the boat here, you can see plenty of room. We have an extended swim platform. Again, we have safety railing here that makes it legal to ride back here underway. This does have the rear-facing lounger that adjusts in a couple of different positions, and then also into a full sun pad. Plenty of storage underneath these seats back here, and then also a built-in cooler. I've got the moonlight gray and then also the gray flooring as well. Nice big tower here. On the Sunliner Sport, we do have the co-captain and captain seating up here. These are high back seats that do adjust and swivel. Up here at the helm, this boat is powered by JL Audio. Great sound quality here on the boat. Got a tilt steering wheel, place here to charge your phone, Simrad display screen for all your chart plotting, engine diagnostics, everything you need is accessible up here at the helm. And then this is a digital throttle. Moving into the bow of the boat, Harris maximizes all of their space on these tri-tunes. Got a nice big storage compartment underneath here and also underneath the helm. You do get armrests on the Sunliner Sport. And then again, plenty of storage and nice seating up here for your friends and family to hang out, relax when you're on the water here in Minnesota. This boat is located at our store in Rogers. It's available. Again, it's a Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. If you'd like to stop by, make an appointment, we'd love to show you around. Thanks.